everybody, so today I have such an amazing video to you guys. I actually did so much research behind what I'm about to show you, to the point where I got into a big room from university just so I can just record this video to you guys. You know how there's a lot of videos on YouTube where it's like the top 10 products for September, top 10 products for October? Well, I'm going to show you the top 4 products for all of Q4. So if you sell these, I think it's guaranteed that it's going to make some money. So the thing behind this is that I'm not going to show you the same products that people have showed you. I'm basically going to be showing you products that you might think they're a bit saturated, but I'll show you some different methods that you can sell them where it's guaranteed that it's going to make you a bit of money. Now, the way I found these products is by, I like to call it an underrated method because no one actually talks about it. You know how I came from Google Ads. Like I found most of my success within Google Ads. In Google Ads, there's this thing called the Merchant Center. If you go to it, there's actually a place that is called bestsellers. So if you click on growth and then you click on bestsellers, you'll be able to find all the products that are currently making lots of money from Google Ads. So this is exactly what I did, but not just that. What I also did was I first found the products that are highest in demand. After I did that, I went on Google reviews, Amazon reviews, and then I did so much market research so I can be able to market the product differently. And if the product was saturated, I'd be able to basically get another share of the market. And this is the thing that most people don't do. Most of the time, they just give you a product and they give you like a generic copy that doesn't relate to anyone. But if you do the same methods I'm showing you, like you'll be able to replicate the same success. So the very first product I found, and I'm sure you've seen it a ton of times, but again, it's just having a different angle, having a different way of marketing that's gonna like differentiate you, and it'll give you an untapped share of the market. So this product is the Manscaped product, electric shaver for your balls. The target market is basically people with short or hairy balls. I tried to do a ton of research on this because I couldn't relate to the target market. But basically, listen. It's actually a joke. But the way I want you to market this product is like this. Well, the way I start with marketing products is I try to think of a thesis. Now, a thesis in copywriting, they teach you that you start with a thesis, and you start with a mechanism, and from there you combine them to get your big idea. So our thesis is that having no pubes means you have a longer you know what. But the mechanism is that there's this thing called a ball trimmer that's gonna allow you to get whatever you want, which is like a longer, you know what I mean? Now, if you're able to put this in your brain, you'd be able to basically write a better copy. As a result, you'd be able to market the product better. Now, the copy is like this. So this copy, you can use it for your TikTok ads, you can use it for your landing page, or even for your Facebook ad copy. But I'm just basically giving you the idea of what the copy is supposed to be. And then from there, you'll be able to basically use it wherever, and you can build upon it. So the copy is like this. The average eggplant size is about the size of a pink eraser. Now, this is the first line. The second line is that's because most don't trim their balls or basketball emoji. And then it's like over 18,000 alpha males use these ball trimmers, which is the one that you're going to be marketing. And then at the end, you're just giving them a call to action, which is show her you're among the ranks of alphas here. And that basically you can bring them to your landing page. And in the landing page, you're going to be using the same idea of copy. It's literally the same idea. You're not going to change it. And the idea is basically this, which is the thesis and the mechanism. Again, so the thesis is that having no pubes means you have a longer eggplant, and then the mechanism is the product itself. Thinking this way is going to allow you to market the product better, not just on your Facebook ad or on your TikTok ad, but also on a landing page, like you know what to say exactly. My recommendation for this is to basically make a similar landing page to Manscaped. In this case, you're going to be marketing it different. Now, you know how I usually talk about the offer? So the offer is going to be the thing that's going to like drive the most conversions on your store. So the offer in this case is going to be first of all, the ball trimmer. We're going to be calling it the ball trimmer, which I recommend to market at $64.99. Now, Manscaped, they price it at like some high price, like $80, $90. Like it was a high price. If you price it at $64.99, I think that's not bad. But not just that, you're going to give them an ebook that is titled this: How to Add 2 inches with as little as 7 minutes exercise a day. Ebook. Now listen, I know you don't know what to write in the book. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to do some Google research and then write like some nice ebook and then just give them the value through there. Listen, I know this whole market is a weird market, but like the data is showing that this is working. So if you can come and you can like do something here, I think it's honestly gonna work. So for the platforms, I recommend starting with I recommend starting with TikTok, like for sure TikTok, and have the same idea in the words that you write, and basically have like videos that grab the attention. You can watch my other videos about TikTok organic on how to make good videos. But once you finish with TikTok, you can just go to Google and just copy the same Manscaped landing page. But again, remember the thesis and the mechanism is going to give you the general idea of what you need to be doing, and then from there you're able to like you figured out all of the marketing. So from there you just write whatever copy that flows within the same idea, and that's literally all you have to do. So this product is for those of you who are into those weird markets, and trust me, this market is big. Anyway, so product number 2. So again, I found this product on the Merchant Center bestsellers, but the way I'm marketing this product is so different that this product, like I can guarantee, is going to be a success for some of you guys. Now listen. So the thesis is that outdoor portable electricity. Now the reason why this is a thesis is because like imagine having electricity outdoors and it's portable. Like that's something pretty cool that everyone would want. But then the mechanism to satisfy the thesis is a portable power station that can charge your electronics. So you combine both of these and then you have this product, like having this idea at the forefront of your brain, which is electricity outdoors and it's portable is going to basically write the entire copy for you if you're coming from this mindset. But then the target market, the person that you're going to be writing for, is going to be those people that are always they believe in that van life, that they want to escape the rat race and they want to go have and basically live on their own off grid. So the copy is going to be like this. So it starts off wanting to live off grid and escape the rat race. So that's the way that you're going to be hooking them, because this is going to be a niche amount of people that are only focusing on this type of life. And then secondly, you're going to be saying our portable power station will give you electricity while you're outdoor. It's been an essential for 850 plus van life enthusiasts. Get it here, blah blah.com. Now this product, I found that it's actually a very good product for Google because there are people who are selling it and there aren't many dropshippers who are selling it. So if you can come, you can actually get a nice share of this market. And if your marketing is good, like I'm showing you here, I mean, Habibi, you're gonna do good, trust me. But then listen to this. The offer is honestly the best part about this, because when I thought of this, I'm like, holy crap, like I'm actually a genius. The offer is this. So you're gonna give them the portable electricity. So the product itself, you're gonna name it portable electricity, which is actually, I think it's a pretty nice name. Plus, you'll give them a free bonus access to our van life course. Now look, you might be thinking that there aren't a lot of people who are into van life, but I honestly did the research. Like I'm telling you, I did so much research for this video, and there's a lot of people who actually care about van life. There's actually this website who is fully dedicated to van life, and they're selling a course that teaches people how to survive on the van life. Now I'll put a screenshot here that basically shows you what to put in that course, but you don't have to actually make a course with your video. You just make a course that's fully text, and you can put it on Teachable, or you can just put it as a PDF and send it to people. But you're gonna have to do a bunch of research to know what to put in this course. Like trust me, like doing this research is gonna be very, very beneficial for you. And listen, you don't have to do this research before you start selling. You can just say that you're gonna be giving them this course, but you don't have to make the course before you start getting sales. Once you get sales, then you can start make the course, and then you'll fulfill it to people. But again, this market is honestly so untapped. If you can market it this way to those type of people, I'm pretty sure they're gonna buy it. Now, as for the price, I don't know how much you can price this because you're gonna have to find a good source for this. But if you go on AliExpress or eBay and just search up portable power station, you'll be able to find a product that's very similar to the one that's being sold on Google. Or you can even just go on Google itself and look at people who are actually selling it. There's actually one brand that's doing it, that's dominating the market. So if you go and see which one they're selling, you can come and sell a product that's very similar to them and just source it from eBay and AliExpress. Now, as for the pricing, this market is different. Like it's not going to be the same pricing as you see on like any other dropshipping store, but the pricing is going to be above $100 and a bit below $1,000. So somewhere there, you're gonna have to see which one it is depending on which variation you'll choose. But again, the marketing is all the same. So if you make just a website that's dedicated to only van life people, this is going to be your main product, and then from there you can sell more and more products to this exact target market. Now, as for the third product, so I found this product again from Merchant Center, and I truly feel like if you're able to find a way to fulfill this product, it's honestly gonna do good, because the thing with this is that only brands like Google or Amazon are the ones that are selling this. But there is so much profit in this. So this product is basically the smart thermostat. Now again, I do the thesis and then the mechanism. And by the way, if you're confused about the thesis and the mechanism, don't be confused, bro. It's not that hard. It's just finding like the big idea behind the product and then marketing the product for that big idea. Because you can have a product and you can have two big ideas with it. And one of them is going to be the one that actually sells the product, and the other one is not going to sell the product. So someone's going to say that that product is not a winning product, but it's not the product. It's the idea behind it. So if the big idea is good, then the product is going to be a winner. Or if it's not good, then it's not going to be a winner. So anyway, so for this product, the smart thermostat, the thesis in this one is that inflation is making electricity more expensive. Now the mechanism is that there is a smart thermostat that can help you save electricity. Now for the ad copy here, and by the way, for the target, we're targeting daddies who are freaking out about the electricity bill from last month, basically. So just basically fathers who are like the bill is way too high. Now for the copy, it starts like this: with the increase in gas prices, electricity bills are next. So this is the first line, and then we say our smart thermostat is designed to reduce your monthly electricity cost by using home energy more efficiently. Over 10,040 plus homes saved on their electricity bills here. I think you just put the link. Now again, I'm giving you the ad copy, so you can use this for whatever you want, like for maybe TikTok ad or Facebook ad, but you don't just copy and paste it. You make it congruent with the platform that you're marketing on. So if it's for TikTok, basically write whatever that is going to hook people, but you use the same idea as the one that I highlighted in this copy. Now I put a link of a competitor here, so make sure you go on this competitor and try to basically replicate what they're doing, because these people are they're having major success with this product. If you're able to replicate what they're doing, then I'm pretty sure you could do good. But the way you're going to differentiate with this, other than having a nicer big idea, is basically again through your offer. Now the offer is going to be this. So you're going to call the product Smart Energy Saving Thermostats. You can price it similar to the competitor that I showed in the link. And then you'll be giving people an ebook that says 10 reasons your electric bill is so high and how to lower it. Now, I don't think this ebook is that powerful, but again, I think anyone would like to lower their electricity bill somehow. So make sure you include that. Now, as for the platforms, I want you to focus mostly on Google. Forget TikTok, forget Pinterest, just focus on Google. Now, the reason why I want you to focus on Google is because most people are searching for a smart thermostat to save electricity bills, and there aren't that many competitors on Google. So if you go on Google and you have the big idea that I just gave you right now, and you can write like a landing page similar to the competitor, I truly feel like you could do good with it. Now the last product is this. So it's the wireless earphones. But here's the thing. This is one of the products that I actually found good success with back in the day, but we're gonna market it differently. So the way we're gonna market it is this. So again, we start off with the thesis and then the mechanism. So the thesis for this one is that AirPods have a high EMF that lowers your IQ, which is, by the way, that's actually true. And then the mechanism is gonna be a wireless earphone that has low EMF that's not gonna lower the IQ. So you can imagine the big idea here is actually very good. As for the target market, we're gonna target health conscious individuals who actually care about the EMF radiation. And like, trust me, they actually do exist. I am actually one of them. But the ad copy is gonna be like this. Now I recommend like going super ham on TikTok for this product, but the ad copy is gonna be like this. AirPods are the biggest scam of the century. They're the reason Gen Z have the lowest IQ. With a high EMF, not only are you microwaving your brain, but it's the reason why you can't focus and have such low IQ. That's why we created this new EMF-free headphones or earphones. They use a special chip that prevents EMF radiation from microwaving your brain. And then the call to action is restore your IQ back here. Now for this one, you have to go super hard on TikTok because those people, the health conscious people, I think you could find them on TikTok, but also Gen Z people, they're all on TikTok. So if you're able to market them and you show them a better product, I'm pretty sure honestly, this is the best product that I've found from all these 4 products. And again, in the video, you're going to be using the same tactics I show you from my other videos, and you're going to be using the ad copy that I showed you in this video. Now for the offer, this is where it gets very interesting. For the offer, you're going to give them the earphones and you'll call it EMF free earphones. Now look, I know you're going to be like, but the earphones are not EMF free because they have Bluetooth. I found this brand on Amazon. So there was actually a whole forum of people talking about how AirPods have high EMF, and some person was asking for alternatives. And so this Amazon link shows the alternative. Now you're not going to dropship these people, but you're going to find earphones that are similar to the Amazon link that's in this video, and you're basically going to be dropshipping that product. Now the cool thing about this is that the earphones, they look a bit weird. They're not like your typical earphones. So if you're saying that there's a special chip in them, it actually looks believable too. And I'm hoping that there is. You can actually buy it and then test it before you start selling it. Thing is, for this one is you're not just going to be selling the earphones, and you're going to be including a free access to self-help audiobooks. Now listen, if you're buying earphones, but then you're buying earphones and free access to audiobooks, like that's such a good offer and it's free. Like that's amazing. But now you might be asking us like, well, how am I going to give people free access to audiobooks? So this is what you do. So there's a bunch of videos on YouTube of actual audiobooks. So what you do is that you might like make a Spotify account or a YouTube account, and you're going to download all these videos of the self-help audiobooks, and you'll put them in the Spotify or your YouTube channel. For YouTube, is going to be unlisted. So when people buy, you're going to send them access to that channel with a bunch of videos that are unlisted. So it's exclusive just for them, and they're going to have access to like a bunch of audiobooks. Now you can start off with like a few books like Think and Grow Rich and like Rich Dad Poor Dad, all those books, just so you can test the idea first. But if you're seeing that the idea is actually getting good traction, then you should include more and more books. But this is such a good offer though. Like I think I might run this myself, to be honest. And by the way, if you're thinking it's like, why am I showing you guys all these products and everything? So just recently, actually, my merchant center, they suspended my account once again. I don't understand why they keep doing that. So I'm like, I have so much free time on my hand right now, so I just wanted to make these products and make the video for these products, because honestly, I truly think that like all these products are going to do amazing, especially in this coming Q4. So again, for all these products, what I recommend is you first buy them, except the portable power station. But first you buy them, and then you start making videos and pictures with them. Don't take the AliExpress pictures, don't take pictures you find from eBay, but put your own pictures, because that's the way you're going to be differentiating yourself. Other than having a nicer big idea and a nicer offer, this is the way that you're going to be able to differentiate yourself even more. Now, honestly, this is it. This is all I have for you in this video. I truly think this is extremely valuable. I honestly could have charged you like hundreds of dollars for this video, man, but all I need you to do is just subscribe, and this is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Was it good?
To also like the video and share. Subscribe.
Oh, they usually do that. I don't like that.